The following contest is a tornado tag team match. Introducing first, from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, weighing in at 172 pounds, Ace Austin.
This puppy dog loyalty from this superstar has to go away. It's become a detriment.
There's nothing wrong with having people you can trust in this business and being someone others can trust too.
Woof, woof. Spoken like a true puppy dog, Saxton. A man who elevates his game every week. He is competing at his highest level yet.
And his partner, from Orlando, Florida, weighing in at 258 pounds, Tanga Loa.
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who could blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight. This is a guy who always seeks out the highest level of competition, and I think he'll get it tonight.
And from England, weighing in at 274 pounds, Nick Aldis.
The moment this match was announced, the WWE Universe has expected a classic. I think it is destined to deliver.
He has a big match ahead of him. Going to need a career-making performance here tonight.
And from Tijuana, Mexico, weighing in at 220 pounds, the Beast, SSS.
Hey, I think we got a criminal on the loose. Give me my phone.
Put your phone away, Corey. What could possibly be wrong with this competitor?
They fight too hard. They're always on the attack. They're crazy.
Those are all good things.
You're crazy. He's in perhaps the best physical condition of his life. He knows what it takes to reach the top here in WWE.
And no one is going to be searching for a tag in this one, guys.
Everybody is legal at all times, which sets up a recipe for destruction.
Wind him up. Boom. Knock him down. Ouch.
Crafty way to get out of harm there.
Moonsault!
Oh, my goodness. Kick to the spine. And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
He knows when to avoid contact. Producing a trampling. Gets him with the counter.
Able to evade.
Driven down with an elevated flatliner.
He's absorbed some damage already. Jarring impact. Oh, man.
Big hip toss into the cartwheel. And a knee strike. What a combination.
That'll do some serious damage.
An arm breaker. German suplex.
Oh, man, that was nasty.
They weren't that good looking anyway.
Paying it right back with a reversal.
That's just a beat down.
Here's the cover.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
He's got him scouted. This could do it.
He gets the kick out after the one.
Surprised to not even get a 2 count at this point.
Just flush. He's getting pushed down to the defensive. So much damage inflicted. Oh, what an elbow drop.
Uncorks a thunderous chop.
2. Wards off the pin at 2.
This is going to come down to who wants it more.
Staggering to his feet, but he won't like what's coming next.
Uh-oh. Oh, look at head scissors.
DDT!
Incredible. Wait a minute.
Seated drum kick.
He's going for the pin.
Instead.
I think he's got it locked. Oh, and he gets out. Perhaps some renewed life in him now.
Ah, drop kick to the spine. He saw it coming. Series of reversals.
Strong elbows right on the mark.
That knocked you silly. Saw it coming and got out of there. And he keeps his focus on an attack to that area.
Now he's been put on the defensive.
How much longer can these superstars continue to fend off defeat?
Every obstacle's been met with equal measures of tenacity. It's going to take a lot to close this one out.
Nasty knee. How's that for him? I think I know what this superstar's going for.
A muscle buster.
No, goodness. Could be over here.
This is it.
He keeps his team in the match. I think I know what this superstar's going for.
A muscle buster.
Muscle buster. What impact.
Leave the nightlight on for him.
It's over. I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up. There's not a single play. He wants it one more time. Oh, that's all right.
Up across the shoulder.
Driver.
Caught him flush.
Shoulders down. 2, 3. That'll do it. The victory tonight.
Here are your winners.
An incredibly impressive showing by this tag team.
These teams really put each other through their paces in this tornado tag match.